Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Begin by creating a daily routine that prioritizes consistency. Study science for 45 minutes, then take a 15-minute break to keep focus and avoid fatigue. Use the NCERT textbook as the primary source and highlight key definitions, diagrams, and formulas during reading. Each week plan to cover 3 topics and schedule 2 revision sessions for each topic later in the week. This spaced repetition strengthens memory and lets you identify weak areas before tests or class quizzes. Use active learning techniques. Write concise notes of 1 paragraph per concept and practice 30 sample problems to apply ideas. Convert textual definitions into labeled diagrams, adding measurements like 3, 5 cm or masses like 1, 2 g when relevant. Visuals anchor understanding. Test comprehension by teaching a classmate or explaining aloud for 10 minutes, answering imagined questions. Teaching reveals gaps and cements concepts. Finally, mix problem types, numerical, conceptual, and reasoning, so you can handle exam variety. For revision and exam preparation, perform 2 full revisions of the syllabus, 1 3 weeks before exams and 1 week before. Solve at least 5 previous year papers and 5 mock tests under timed conditions. Allocate 2 hours for mock tests and review errors immediately after each test to correct misconceptions. Build a 1-page formula sheet listing equations and units such as m/s, n, j, hc, and common percentages, and practice problem variants until you can solve them confidently without step-by-step prompts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.